we'll see what are the differences between sociology and history. See, the first difference is in the definition itself. Sociology is the study of present with all their complexity, whereas history deals with past events. That is, sociology deals with present event, what is happening today, and what are the situation, what are its effect, and what are its outcomings. Okay, but history, it is silent regarding the present. That is, it is not the study of present, it is a study of past, what we have already experienced. Okay, second is it is a young social science, and whereas history is age old social science. See, sociology is said to be emerged in 20th century, that is around 1920s, but history is but history has long story of 2000 years or even more. Okay, sociology is an analytical science, whereas history is descriptive science. That is, in sociology we analyze something, whatever is going on around us, in either in any area or anywhere, we analyze that thing in sociology. But in history we just describe the value that we are observing. Okay, in sociology it is a generalizing science, and history is a individualizing science. The fifth difference is if the focus of study is different. That is, both are a part of social science, but sociology's main focus is in the study of society, in the study of humans, whereas history is the study of past, is the study of what we have experienced and what are the circumstances leading to social change and development. Okay, now the sixth difference is nomothetic and ideographic. That is, sociology is nomothetic. Nomo means norms. That is, in sociology we see what were the norms, and accordingly we judge our thinking. And in history it is a ideographic, that is individual oriented. Let's take example. If you study about past, that is about a empire, then in sociology we'll see what are the norms, that is what were the ruling norms of that kingdom, of that king, of that empire. But in history we see what that king did for the welfare of his empire, for the development of his empire. Okay, so this was a particular difference between sociology and history. Now, interacting both these subjects comes a new term called historical sociology. Historical sociology is said to be a branch of sociology focusing on how societies develop through history. Okay, history is a past sociology, and sociology is the present history. These lines were said by See, sociologists much concerned with past and primary data, whereas historians are concerned with past and look for secondary data in achieve our past. History is no sense is like a natural science with sociology. It does not seek colorless unit. It is said by different historians and sociologists that historians collect the concrete and interpret as its unique phenomenon, whereas sociology work on hypothesis. They analyze things. Okay, sociology and history are two different disciplines in a domain of social science. As you know, they are the part of social science, but their method of approaches and purpose is different. Sociology have crave of numbers, historians for data and words. They analyze the things by the things provided by them, and they find. Sociologists recognize rules and ignores variations, whereas historians stress on individual specifically. Okay, sociologists seek generalized uniformities and performs and processes to form typology of concepts which differs from the exact data set proposed in a particular case by historians. Now let's come back to what is historical sociology. See, historical sociology uses history in its analysis. Okay, the idea of distinct subfield called historical sociology is said to be emerged during the 20th century, that is when sociology was emerged. The information age has exactly become changing information system and identities in the modern world at large in order to understand need, choice and challenges that humanity is facing today, that is during the 20th century. Karl Marx was a sociologist who used history in his sociological analysis, and other sociologists like James N. Blount, Jack Goody, Andre Gunder Frank in 1998 worked in the field of historical or political sociology to analyze their content and to produce more and more output from their analysis. Okay, see, we have also described how historical sociology is an outcome of interaction of both the disciplines have emerged. It is also described as a historical sociology as a branch of sociology as critically contributed to the growth of an interdisciplinary scholarships. Many sociologists from the beginning of sociology as major disciplines such as Karl Marx, Max Weber, Durkheim, later on Castells, Emin, Frank, Blount, as discussed, have contributed in this field. In nutshell, both sociology and history, though being two different disciplines in the domain of social science, are very much closely interrelated and supplemented to each other's field of studies. Okay, so this was in this video. Thank you for watching.